we just got a drone with a LiDAR system. So we are going to use this drone to collect information about surface model and terrain model as well. So where we can extract information about the canopy height of the trees. This drone application will be will be valuable for forestry research, and that's the purpose of obtaining it with our department. We went for 2 days. We got a training for how to use the LiDAR system, how to process the data after collecting the data, and it was very nice training over there in Alabama. Yeah. This type of drone, it's mainly for research. So you can buy this drone. The drone itself, it costs about like maybe $14,000, like the basic model. But when you add the system to it, like the camera with the near-infrared bands and red edge band, and LiDAR system, it will cost you like around $60,000. So this is just the base station. So when we start our flight mission, we start with the base station. We try to collect information about our exact location. So we use this base station to do the correction after we get the data from the drone. So it's just like kind of georeferencing what we do with ArcGIS and ArcMaps. So when we collect the drone, the LiDAR data, we collect points like using lasers. So the drone, the LiDAR system we have, it has eight lasers. So we can get information about the canopy of the trees. So like how big the canopy of that like specific trees area. And also we can use the data collected, not just the LiDAR system. We can use the bands that collect the imagery we collected using the drone. We can use that bands to check the trees' health as well. The drone is a tool to collect information. Same thing, like what we use, like in remote sensing, we use satellite imagery that collected using satellites. Right now, we use the drone to collect that imagery ourselves. So using the drone, we will have better resolution, very high resolution data.